Learn Excel from Mr. Excel Podcast, episode 2182. Can Word hyperlink to a specific sheet and cell in an Excel file? Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jell, and today a question from Selina that I had no clue. I've never done this before, and I'm happy that I figured it out, and I'm sharing it so that way you will know. And also, 2 years from now, when I have no clue how I ever did this, I can come back and find it as well. All right, so here's what we have. We have a file, podcast2182.xlsm. It is saved in a folder. Now, if you don't know what folder it is, I'm going to press Alt F11. I'm going to press Ctrl+G for the immediate window. I'm going to type space Thisworkbook.FullName and press Enter, and it's going to give me this thing here. That's my full path and file name. So if I just want to link to the file, not to a specific place in the file, we would come here to Word. I just copied that, by the way, and select what we want the hyperlink to be. I did a bad job of selecting that. If MrWord.com could tell me a better way to select. All right, Control-K, and the address paste is just that simple. All right, but that's not what Selina wants to do. Selina wants to link to a specific sheet and cell address. All right, so here I've already built this. What we're going to do is we're going to put the whole path and file name like before, then a pound sign or a hash sign, and then the sheet name in apostrophes, even if it's only a single sheet, close apostrophe, exclamation point, R99. All right, so I'll take that, Control-C. Now you have to be really careful. I screwed this up at first, putting XLSX there. Make sure the extension's right, make sure all of the path is right, and so on. So let's come back to Word, and we're going to go to a specific sheet and cell. Control-K, paste. All right, so the whole thing, pound sign or hash sign, sheet name in apostrophes, exclamation point, R99. All right, but hey, my recommendation, don't worry about that. Let's just do this. Let's say that we want to come here and jump to this cell. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select that cell. I'm going to name it. I'm going to give it a name, jump to me like that. Or how about jump here? That's a great name. Press Enter like that. And we'll go back up to A1. Here we'll be at A1, and we'll save this in the title card. Save, file, close, come back to Word, and for our jump to a named range, I think this one is even easier, Control-K. All right, and in this one, we just put the whole workbook name, path and workbook name, the pound sign, and then the name of the named range like that. Click OK. All right, so we're in Word. The first hyperlink is just going to open the file. Control-click. They warn me. I'm sure I could get around this by saving it in a trusted folder. And they open Excel just at the exact same spot where I had it before. We will file close. And then try this one where we're linking to a specific sheet, the question sheet, R99. Control-click. And they go to the question sheet and scroll to R99. Now, they didn't scroll so that way R99 is in the top left-hand corner cell, but at least it's in the visible window. All right, file, close. And then the last one to a named range, easier to set up. You don't have to worry about the apostrophes. Control-click, yes. And it jumps to the report sheet, jump here for test one. To me, I'm going to say that's working. I'm sure if you had hoped that it would jump to this spot like that, you're going to say that this is not working. But that's the way life goes. To Microsoft, this is working. Well, hey, for tips like this tip, 617 Excel mysteries solved, check out this book, Power Excel with Mr. Excel. The 2017 edition is the latest version, even though we're already in 2018. The next time I'll update this will be in 2019, so you're safe to buy it now. All right, recap. Selina wants to know if you can link from Word to a specific sheet and cell in Excel. Yes, if you build the link carefully enough. The format is complete path and file name, hashtag, apostrophe, the sheet name, apostrophe, exclamation point, A1 or whatever cell you want to go to, or easier, if you set up a named range, just the whole path and file name, hashtag, named range, like that. Well, hey, I want to thank Selina for sending the question in. I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel. All right, so hey, let's just see if we can get rid of that irritating message. If we go to File, Options, and I'm in Word for this, probably could do it from either side. Trust Center settings, trusted locations. I'm going to add a new location, type the location there, click OK, click OK. Super annoying. You have to close Word, reopen Word, and then the trusted locations are updated. Now, when we click, Control click, it will not hassle you and ask you to go to a potentially untrusted location.